the betrayal of friendship. Once upon a time, in a small village, there were two best friends, Arya and Nina. They had grown up together, shared everything, and helped each other through hard times. They were always there for each other, and everyone in the village admired their friendship. Arya was the more outgoing one. She liked to take risks and try new things. Nina, on the other hand, was quiet and thoughtful. She liked to help people and always listened to others. They made a perfect pair, with Arya's boldness balancing Nina's calm nature. One day, a big opportunity came to the village. A rich merchant needed someone to manage his shop and promised a lot of money to whoever was chosen. Both Arya and Nina dreamed of this chance, but only one could get the job. Nina didn't think she was the right person for the job, so she encouraged Arya to apply. Arya was excited and applied for the job. She was chosen by the merchant, and she was thrilled. Nina was happy for Arya, but also felt a little sad, because she had secretly hoped to get the job too. As time passed, Arya's life changed. She worked hard at the shop, earned more money, and became very successful. But as she became more successful, she also became more arrogant. She stopped spending time with Nina and didn't invite her to celebrate her successes. Nina tried to reach out, but Arya was always too busy. One day, Nina found out something shocking. Arya had been talking badly about her behind her back. Arya had told the merchant that Nina wasn't interested in the job and wasn't capable of managing the shop. Nina was heartbroken. She couldn't believe that Arya, her best friend, would betray her like that. Nina decided to confront Arya. "Why did you do this to me?" Nina asked, feeling hurt. "We were best friends. I trusted you." Arya didn't feel sorry at all. She just shrugged and said, "I did what I had to do to get ahead. You were never going to make it." Nina felt crushed. She had always been there for Arya, but now Arya had turned her back on her when she became successful. The villagers saw the fight between the two friends and started to take sides. Some felt bad for Nina, while others admired Arya for her ambition. The friendship that everyone had once admired was now over. Nina, even though she was hurt, decided to move on. She started her own small business and worked hard. People respected her for who she was, and she found happiness in being true to herself. Nina learned that true success isn't about betraying others to get ahead, but about being kind and loyal to the people who support you. Years later, Arya became more successful, but she ended up lonely. People started to talk behind her back, knowing how she had treated Nina. Arya had gained money and respect, but she had lost the one thing that really mattered, her friendship with Nina. And that's the end of our story. The moral of the story is that true success isn't about betraying others. It's about being loyal and kind to the people who have always been there for you. Betrayal might bring short-term success, but in the end, it leads to loneliness and regret. Did you learn a new word? Share it in the comments with a sentence. If you enjoyed the story, like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.